What's up, guys? Let's create a beautiful scrolling slider. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. First, select the rectangle tool and make a rectangle. And round its corners to 10. Copy it to the length you need for your slider. Then adjust it. Now, we need the photos to be shown. For that, I am using Unsplash. After selecting the photos, auto-lay out the frame. Then, make the frame selection. Decrease its size according to your frame. And enable Clip Content. Next, duplicate the frame. Adjust the slider. And then select both frames to create a component set. Prototype the frames. Set, after delay, to 1 millisecond, Smart Animate, Linear, and set the scrolling speed to 10,000 milliseconds. For the second frame, select, after delay, 1 millisecond and instant animation. Now, from Assets, drag the component into your frame, adjust it. And set your frame flow starting point by going to Prototype. Done. Let's see how our beautiful scrolling slider looks. Perfect. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.